welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. So what I'm going to do today is I just wanted to show you some of my latest printables. So because I haven't showed these, at least I haven't showed them on YouTube before. You might have seen them on my Facebook or Instagram or somewhere, but I haven't printed them out and flipped through them before, and I'm wanting to use them after I get through everything else that I've got to use as well. But these are some of my latest ones. There are a few more, and I will link them all in the description box below the video so that you can go and check them out. So the first couple are some little ephemera kits. So this one is Beautiful Wings Journal Ephemera, and we've got, actually that's the last page. Let's start with this one. So we've just got basically different sized journal cards or tags, whatever you want to use them for. These are the bigger ones. Even you know, journal toppers for your journal cover. I think they would look really nice. So now mine didn't print out properly, but that's not, that's just my printer. Sometimes it prints with these lines through if I don't change the settings. But yeah, it was before I printed this, it was printing well on the settings I was using, but then it went all weird on me and I got lines through it. But that's okay, because we can, you know, use ink and do all sorts of things to hide that, because I still want to use them. I mean, I've printed on the cardstock, so I'm not going to waste it. So we've got 3 taller ones there that could even be used as bookmarks or to create bookmarks. And you just got some beautiful sort of grungy, you know, floral images. Well, it's got a kind of a grunge background, and then vintage images with wings and florals. And then we've got this one, and you've got the bee, the butterfly, and the beautiful dove. And then I've just put them at smaller sizes for you. So we've got circles here, and then we've got some smaller cards here. These would be great on clusters too. Upside down again. And so with these little ones here. So then you've got some more there. I think there's 5 pages in that kit. But yeah, just a little ephemera kit. Beautiful Wings Journal Ephemera, that one. The next one is another photo kit. I have a few in my shop. This is my latest one. Now you've got 3 pages of photos with 8 on each page. So you've got 24 photos here. I've just printed mine onto cardstock. Those. And luckily these printed out properly. But I had to put my setting on my printer. I've got a Epson Eco Tank. I have to put it on high quality to print things like photos. Otherwise I get the lines through. So, especially on the cardstock. I don't know why. But yeah, let's see. Then I printed, well, before I printed on the cardstock, I printed one onto some photo paper because I wanted to see if I liked it or not. But yeah, because I had it on the wrong setting or the lower quality setting, I got the lines through. But once again, there's all sorts of things you can do to grunge up old photos. And I mean, they're already old, but you can, you know, do things to them to make them look more authentically old, like putting scratches and tears and things like that in them. So I can do that with these photos to disguise that. But anyway, that's the photo kit. Now these ones are some of my paper kits. Now, this one is part of a collection. There's quite a few kits in this collection, and it is vintage, you know, it is Rococo Romance, or did I call it Vintage Rococo Romance or Rococo Romance, something like that, but I will link them all below. And this little kit here is a separate one, and it's just got these beautiful, just let me see if I'm in frame, these beautiful collage papers that I made. So there's that one, there's this one, this one. I absolutely love using collage papers, and I think I'm going to do a lot more of them, especially when they're vintage. I just love them because they're so versatile too, because you have like a variety of images and a variety of colors, and you can just cut things out, or you know, just tear them up, get them to mix and match, especially when there are a variety of colors. But that was just a small little collage paper kit. But there's another kit that has patterned papers. I think there's 16 papers in that kit. And then there's another kit with some background papers. And that has, I think, about 20 pages. So these are some of them. This is one of the patterned papers. And on the rest of them, I've printed some of the background pages from the, well, just journal pages kit it is. Some of these got the lines through too. That's really annoying. But yeah, I might not, that one came out okay. I might not use that side anyway. I might just use the one side, but so, and it also comes or has an ephemera kit, actually 2 ephemera kits. So it's a huge kit. There's lots and lots in this one, Rococo Romance. And these ones, I've actually kind of combined 2 kits. And let's see. It's mainly one kit, but then I've printed the other pages on the back. Oh, they're not printed on the back. Just let me get myself organised. So they're not printed on the back. That one, that one, that one, that one. So this one is, and it has pages and ephemera. This is my French blue Toile Chinoiserie type of images. And now the kit I'm going to show you, which has these pages on the front and also has ephemera, is one kit. But what I've done is I've printed, there's another kit, and that's this one. It's sort of more more refined, more the blue French Toile. Now this kit, which I've printed on the back of all of these, is just papers, and yeah, so it's just papers and no ephemera. So I've just printed them onto the back of these ones in the kit. So I'll show you as I go along. So we've got this page. Now these are intended, you can use them how you like. I mean, that one could go that way as well. But I've intended to be able to fold them this way because I was thinking about, you know, a tall skinny journal with these papers, because I think they're just gorgeous. You know, sort of a tall skinny or a flip-flop like the one I made in my video series. It's kind of a shabby chic style. So that's probably what I'll do with mine. So I've got that one, I've got this one, and I've printed that on the back. It's upside down, but that's from the other kit. Got this one, This is upside down. I wasn't very prepared, was I? Now that's upside down. But it's okay because I can always use these for collage. They don't have to be actual pages because I've got plenty of paper. Between these two kits, you've got quite a lot of paper. That one's gorgeous. Then we've got like that one on the back. Just imagine this one folded in a tall journal. And this one. It's beautiful. And these papers are beautiful. I love this one. This one. It's a little bit confusing in my printer how to print, you know, to get the other side not upside down. I always forget which way I need to flip them. I mean, I know I have to flip them over like that, but I don't know whether to flip them up or flip them down, as you can see. So, but anyway, I will work with this, and if I have to print more, I will. That one has this one on the back. I hope I'm holding it to the camera. The camera's up a bit higher than normal and I can't see unless I stand up. This one with those beautiful flowers. I love that one too. This one. So these ones are a bit more simplified and these ones are more detailed, like the true Toile thing happening. Chinoiserie, however you pronounce it. Okay, so I didn't print on the back of these because there's 10 of these and there's, I think it's 13 or 14 of these ones. There. And then we've got lots of pages of beautiful ephemera. I might move these. Okay, so I have all these pages of ephemera that are from that main kit. So I've got a couple of journal cards here, or you know, whatever you want to use them for. Large ones. We have some beautiful cats here. I think one of these would look beautiful on the cover actually. I love that one. Same with these. Some beautiful, not sure what they called them. Dressing tables. Probably not. Were they called? I don't know what they would have called them. Dresses. But they are beautiful. You can cut them out and make tucks or whatever. Here are some more cats. Now, that was the other one from that kit. Must have, well, there's another page that I've obviously left out there. That down there. There's a couple more large cards. You can, you know, stick them on a page, whatever you want to do. Here's some vintage ephemera to go along with it. Beautiful angels. I've put in my word sheet. I often include it with my kits. I don't always remember. But I think this is a freebie anyway. I think you can download it from Ko-fi or my Facebook group and on my website. We have the beautiful hearts and cat and butterflies and these beautiful ladies. Now, I haven't printed them out, but there is also another kit that comes with this, and that is just these lady paper dolls. And I think there's about 8 ladies in total. There's 2 of them in the actual ephemera kit. But yeah, I'll remember to link that separate paper dolls kit as well. Have these journal cards with some gentlemen on there as well. And some more pockets, smaller cards here. There's a little dog down there in a house. This is like a little folio. More ephemera here. Then we have more. These are some of the dresses shrunk down. There's more fans on this page. And cats. Then we've got the beautiful angels and cherubs and birds on this page. A couple of more large ones. Beautiful birds. And this page with some more fussy cats, butterflies and cats. And then we have some envelopes here. And some tags. As I normally print these on cardstock, but these ones are on printed paper because my printer ran out of cardstock. But that's okay, because I can always put them onto some cardstock. So that's that one, the blue Toile, and I'll link that below. Now this one, this is not a new kit. This is an old kit. But I wanted to show you because I don't think I've ever showed it on here before, and I know a lot of people like using these Damask paper bags. Now, I can't get them. I probably could online, but I can't get them locally. So I designed these little paper bags, and it's a three-page set. As you can see, I had problems with my printer with mine again, but you've got the fold lines here. You just fold them, and then you put your little flap up, and you've got a paper bag. And then you can decorate the top. You could cut with those pinking shears to get a decorated edge or whatever you want to do. So there's that one, and there's this one, and there's this one. So I just wanted to show you those because, you know, they're in a couple of dollars or something on my Etsy shop. So I'll put the link below to those as well. Okay, so that's it for latest printables. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.